Shannon and Gerald, the church shares your joy and warmly welcomes you, together with your families and all your friends, as today, in the presence of God our Father, you establish between yourselves a lifelong partnership.
Jay and Shanny, all these people, the people who mean the most to you in this world, are here to celebrate your love and your relationship. It must feel great to know how many people truly care about you deeply. Shanny, you bring out the best in Jay, which is all I could ever ask for in a sister-in-law. You're patient and kind, and when you're with my brother, it's very obvious to me that he's happy.
I've never seen her happier than when she's with Gerald, and you can see it written all over her face.
To Shannon and Gerald, to a lifetime of love and happiness.